Here's a Mustang to check out at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Ford Mach 1 Fastback. This is a Mach 1 Tribute. 302 underneath the hood. Power brakes. That 302 is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission. Has had a repaint to, I guess I'd consider this Wimbledon white, or very similar. The flat black hood and scoop. And of course the Mach 1 stripes going down the side. Now if you want to check out still pictures, so you can see the underside of this car, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. And of course you can call us 507-386-1726. You can take a look at the chrome on the front bumper, chin spoiler, grill, and paint shows well on this. You may find a blemish here or there. Seems like there was a spot, a little bit of a touch up, maybe a spot like that there. Few of them, but nothing major on this one as far as nicks, dings, or scratches. Maybe just a touch up here or there. American Racing 5-spoke polished wheels. Does have the Mach 1 red inlay seats, and of course down in the carpeting also with the vinyl red inlays there also. Another thing to remember is we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As you can see, the rear louvers look great on these fastback body styles. Great stance, great body. Dual exhaust. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Also in nice shape. We're going to fire it up, let you hear it run here at the end of the video. Again, 302 underneath the hood with a 4-speed manual transmission. And another thing, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take your time looking through them. Probably close to 100 pictures of this car online. As we take a look down the driver's side from rear to the front. And again, you can see no major dings or scratches. Like I said, you may find a touch up, small here or there, but I've not come across many of them. All right, interior, door panels. Sorry, I had a dusty foot on this floor. I want to clean that up so you can actually see what it looks like. There you go. That was just a little dusty footprint from when I was in it before. Seats, free of rips, tears, holes, really much wear. Of course, the Mach 1 stripe. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up. Let you hear it run. Have had the wipers working, blower works. I did not have the radio working. That 302 fires up easy, and 302 is board 40 over. And as you can see, we do have the blinker in the hood. Kind of cool. The hood scoops. Let's warm up a little bit. Didn't notice it was a little cold-blooded, but it seems like it's warmed up. Take a look at the top of the dash. Also in good shape. The center console and that 4-speed. Headliner. Slip around the back seat here that's run. A little low-B idle. Hey, that sounds good. Alright, let's slip up to the front. I'm going to pull these hood pins, get the hood open, and check out that 302 and how that engine bay looks. Take a peek at the underside of the hood, nice and clean. There it is. The 302 Holly carved with his Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, MSD ignition, headers, and then power brakes. Looks like a newer master cylinder back there. There's a battery disconnect here also. Nice looking engine bay. Nice low-B idle. 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback Mach 1 Tribute. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1969 Mustang. White with a black stripe, it looks really good. Inside we've got some wood grain texture on the dash and doors. This is a 4-speed car, it's really fun to drive. Our wipers do function. This car has a great sound. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but our roads are dry today, so we can do some driving videos for you. It is below 0 today, Fahrenheit. Let's get her up to speed. Sounds really good. So the speedometer in this car is inoperable. The other gauges are working well. Car's in really good shape. Dash looks great, no cracks. The brakes work very good. This car has hood pins, which is a nice period look. Just a fun Mustang to drive.